Imagine making money while sleeping, watching Netflix, or just scrolling your phone. No skill, no hard work, just effortless, lazy money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, I found some crazy methods that no one is talking about and it actually works. And if you're new in this channel, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Get paid to do nothing. But if I told you that companies are rich, people will literally pay you to do nothing, this is called virtual line sitting or QE holding. Step 1. Sign up on TaskRabbit, people per hour. Step 2. People hire you to hold a spot in line for concert tickets, sneakers releases, government services, or even restaurant reservations. Step 3. You wait from home. When the time comes, you transfer a spot to the buyer. Step 4. You get paid $50 to $500 per book doing nothing but waiting. Lazy? Yes. Profitable? Absolutely. Become a human alarm clock. Get paid, wake people up. Did you know people actually pay you to work on up? Some hate alarms, some need motivation, and others want reminders in a fun way. That's where you come in. Step 1. Sign up on Wacky, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit. Step 2. Offer a wake-up call or morning motivation service. Step 3. Set up an AI-generated voice call or just call them yourself for 30 seconds. Step 4. Charge $5 to $20 per call and stack up easy money. If you set up an AI to do the calls, you can literally make money while sleep, selling useless digital products people will buy. Not everything online has to be useful. People love weird, funny, and pointless things. Here's how to make money selling digital products that take zero effort. Step 1. Create something completely ridiculous. Step 2. Use Canva or ChatGPT to design in 5 minutes. Step 3. Sell it as printable on Etsy or Gumroad. Step 4. Every time someone buys you will get free money. No shipping, no work. One guy made over $100,000 selling funny gag gift on Etsy. If they can do it, why not you? If they can do it, why not you? Rent out your digital space. Your time, turn your useless stuff into dollar. Go an old email account, extra Google Drive storage. Go an old email account, extra Google Drive storage, or even a social media page you don't use. You can rent it out to make passive income. Go to AdSella, AirTM, or Hive5. Step 2. List your email account, unused Twitter handle, or extra cloud storage. Step 3. People pay you monthly to use your digital space for marketing, research, or storage. Step 4. Do nothing but collect passive income. Think about it. If you're not using it, why not making money from it? Get paid for typing CAPTCHA. This is probably the laziest online job ever. Solving CAPTCHAs. Websites need human to verify things, then they will pay you to do it. Step 1. Sign up on 2 CAPTCHA or mega typers. Step 2. Start solving simple image CAPTCHAs, literally typing what you. Step 3. Earn $5 to $20 per hour. Just clicking boxes and typing letters. It's not the fastest way to make money. It's not the fastest way to get rich. But if you're lazy and want some instant money, and this is it. Upload random sounds and get royalties. Did you know you can get paid just for recording random sounds? People need sound effects for videos, podcasts, and games. Here's how to turn everyday noises into cash. Step 1. Use your phone to record random sounds like laughs, rain, door cracks, pepper tearing, etc. Step 2. Upload them to Spotify, Audio or SoundSnap. Step 3. Every time someone downloads your sound, you get paid. Some sounds go viral and keep earning for years. Get paid to watch TV. Yes, really. Imagine watching Netflix and getting paid for it. Sounds fake? No. Companies actually pay people to review content, tag scenes, or find trends. Step 1. Sign up for Nielsen, TV2, or Workman. Step 2. Watch shows and give feedback. Or just let it run in the background. Step 3. Collect easy money in every month. Some people make $50 to $30 to $500 per month just watching TV. So why not you? You can try, you should try. And I am so much sure that what I'm describing, there is no one told, there's no one talking about. Now I'll show you the final recap, what I described. There you have it, the laziest way to make money online that no one is talking about. Holding spot in line, paid to wait, becoming human alarm clock, selling funny digital products, renting our digital space, typing captures, selling random sounds, getting paid to watch TV. You don't need experience or even effort to start making money online. Pick one of these methods. Start today and let me know in the comment which one sounds the laziest to you. Hit that like button, subscribe,